So I've had this air fryer for about 2 years now. I'm not going to bore you with all the settings and everything you can do with it, because you can probably see that online on the listing wherever you want to buy it. I'm going to tell you what I like about it. I'm going to tell you what I don't like and whether I recommend it. What I don't like about it is that it's sold to be kind of thin, narrow, tower air fryer. So it's easy to fit in your kitchen if you've got a smaller kitchen like me. However, even though it does look slim from the front, it is kind of long and it's bulky at the back, and the fan which generates all the hot air is right at the back, so you can't put anything at the back. There's also a fan on the side, so you can't put anything at the side. So it does take up more room than you would think when you see it like this or when you see it in a photo. That's something you've got to think about. Number two is the drawers are not the biggest. I've never had an issue yet cooking anything, but I live with, it's just me and my wife, there's two of us, so it's not like I'm doing huge portions of food, but I wish they were bigger. Before this, I had the Ninja Foodie grill, and that was bigger. Now, what I love about it is that it has been very reliable. It's never broke. I've seen a lot of air fryers break down after just a couple of months. This one has lasted years and it still works to this day. It's very easy to clean. It takes a good beating. You can also put these on a timer. So I can have something in the top that takes 15 minutes and something in the bottom that takes 20 minutes, and I can put them on at the same time, different temperatures. That's going to run at 150 degrees and it's going to cut off after 15 minutes. That's going to run at 200 degrees for 20 minutes and then it's going to cut off. That has been one of the best things about this one of the best things about this air fryer. I've not seen that with many other air fryers, and it's got so much use out of this household. Also, it looks very nice. It's very aesthetic to look at. Overall, do I recommend this one? Yes, I do. From someone who has had a lot of air fryers and was like first on the air fryer hype and absolutely uses them almost every day, this has to be one of my favorites. You can't do all the fancy things like it's not got a grill plate or nothing like that, but it's very functional for what it does. And even though you don't get a lot of space in these drawers, you get a level in there, you get a plate, so you can technically have 4 things running at the same time. I can have chips in the bottom, I can have nuggets on the top, I can have more nuggets on this level, and I can have more nuggets on that one. So even though it doesn't fit massive portions in, you can do a lot of cooking at the same time. I can put a whole fancy meal in this, click a button, and it runs it completely. So it's very functional. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. A very short review today, but I want to cut out all the fluff, and I'm tired of seeing these reviews online that speak for about 20 minutes. So there you go. My pros, my cons, and my final thoughts. I love it.